amplify each other. It's fun.
Next up, Topps Chrome update Sapphire. There are the teams.
The dudes get shorter. It starts with D. Like it's like nothing. There's not even the extra D in it. It's just D.
Yeah, it is crazy that like there are certain like phrases or words that I would never ever say to you that like I would say to my friends from college or whatever. Yeah. You know, not obviously not like
oopsie poopsie.
Yeah, and certain things that I would say to you and wouldn't say to them like that. Did I show the teams? I think I just did. I already forget. There are the teams again if I didn't show them.
Man, freaking baseball. I'm excited.
Yeah.
Can't wait to watch the Dodgers game.
I'm actually super excited for the Angels.
Mm-hmm.
Every year I get that way.
Just the possibility that you would have Trout and Ohtani batting in the same lineup.
Yeah.
It's insane.
Cronenworth debut. Clanahan, singer.
Oh. I'm in a Braves.
Mountcastle debut.
Nine to nothing Cardinals.
Brewers lose. Cardinals win by 9.
Yeah.
Cancel the season. You're mean Mercedes. 10,000 Moniacs. Green to 50.
Blackout. Oh, must be on ESPN.
Yeah, it must be.
Oh, Doxson plays on ESPN. So fancy.
He gets all those World Series champion privileges now.
Yeah.
Have to be hearing about it all year. Trevor Larnach, rookie. There are redemptions in this? Yes. Kelnick, rookie, though. Base. That has that same line by his knee. I wonder if they all have that. Upside down. Due to receive. Rookie autograph, green sapphire parallel. Bobby Dahlbeck. And once again, you have... We're down to 17 months to redeem redemptions from release day.
Wow.
But we got that one right away. That's Steve Nebraska. There you go. Don't forget to get that in.
Weird. It's one of the top names in the product, too.
Yeah.
What a coincidence.
And they're sticker autos, are they not? Would that one?
No.
Yeah, they all have been so far.
Really?
In update, they are usually.
Update Sapphire?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Nah.
Speaking of setting reminders, we have a couple here that are making me anxious, Sam.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
We're not. I don't think we're close, but or you're close, but.
Kirilloff is a sticker on.
Yeah, they all are.
Oh, crap.
Kirilloff debut.
They have to have a redemption for the sticker off.
Yeah.
Now there's no question of how the whole thing works.
Green, Jake Odorizzi to 50. That card's cool. Powerful pair with Cronenworth and Tatis. How does like color, and does anybody have any idea of the market of like color, like that kind of thing? It's not like a Tatis card, you know, but it's cool. And it has them on it.
Yeah, it's almost like they don't even
Want them to sign them.
Don't even try to get them to. I mean, just joking. That can't be it.
Okay. Yes. Tomorrow? Oh, we'll be here at 9. I'll be here at 9.
Thank you.
Another. Oh no, it's not. It's just a white. It's a Daz Cameron. I was like, it's another redemption. To 50. Sandman.
Doc, I have a business idea for you. So, Doc, you get a bunch of goats. You have like a goat business thing. People have to buy like a blind lot of 10 goats. And so what you do is you have these one goats that are like super expensive, and you advertise that you have them. And then, but you don't actually have them. You just have like a
Brian debut
certificate that says like you are owed one of these super expensive.
You're gonna get one.
But it expires pretty quickly.
Yeah.
So then you wait until you've sold all those lots of goats, and you just wait and see how many people actually remember to redeem it, and then you just buy that many of the expensive goats to give to those people. And the 5 or 6 or 10 people who just never remember to do it, then you don't have to go buy those expensive goats and give them to those people.
Also, make it so you're selling the lots to other people, and that those people don't sell them until after the expiration date.
Mm-hmm.
So even if they get one that right away out of a new thing, after it's expired, well,
yeah,
too bad, you know.
Right.
That we just came up with that.
Yeah, I don't know how I came up with that idea. It's just
David Phelps to 50.
Nothing to do with anything else. Totally unrelated. You could also make a deal with the goat guy that you'll buy like
Home debut.
1,000 of those super awesome goats for a certain price. But then you could still put like 2,000 of those super expensive goats. You know, you're definitely only ever going to get 1,000. Put 2,000 of them into the whole pool of blind goat lots.
You could always just trade it out for some other goat.
Yeah.
Instead of sending the one that you were supposed to.
Yeah.
Florial. Stoddard. Oh, rookie combos for the Rockies.
Hey, Stoddard, what up?
Well, no, not exactly, UCCF. I was driving back from like the Granite Bay area or Folsom, you know, the other day, and there was somebody there selling goats like between here and there.
Wow. Yeah, that's a Ripley Superfractor from Transcendent. I don't even know how it got there. One day I came in and it was just sitting there.
You want to see an up close look, Coke Zero? Look at that thing. You know, it didn't occur to me at the time. That may have been a very ingenious buy.
Yeah, I knew it was.
Yeah, I know. I know you knew what you were doing.
Yeah. I know I should have got more stuff like that.
Also, I just absolutely shudder to think the wrestling beef cards.
Oh, I know. Yeah, seriously. Oh well. That's why they keep coming back here, because we just
That's true.
try to help them make money.
Orange Mateo. Perko.
We jump-started so many people's awesome collections of beef cards over the years that are now 10 times the value.
Starting with the Juan Soto first Bowman auto and the first ever beef run, I think.
Yeah.
That was well before we knew what that was going to be. I remember buying a Becky Lynch first NXT auto.
Mm-hmm. For nothing.
Yeah, I bet it costs literally under $100. I bet.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe $100. Jake Cronenworth. Rookie auto. Perko. Nice one.
It says starts at 5, and I went to it. Just,
Well, it's on. You just go to YouTube.
Yeah,
just go to YouTube TV.
No, I am on.
No, you're on the ESPN app.
Oh. There it was. Chrome Zone. What is that?
Jake Cronenworth. Last box of this break.
Did I tell you how Laura, when she was like 3, I was driving her? She was born in 2009. So yeah, when she was 3, I was driving around to all these different Targets looking for 2012 Topps Chrome blasters and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And she thought it was Topps Chrome. Yeah, did you get any Topps Chrome? I was thinking like it's like a witch. Isn't a crone like a witch? Or something?
The old crone.
Yeah.
The only other context I know it is Crohn's disease.
Oh yeah.
Kirilloff debut.
CHRO.
Yeah, EN or something.
Which product? Coke Zero. Oh, I missed 3-year-old Laura. She was awesome.
Yeah.
Have you seen pictures of her when she was 3? She was ridiculous.
Like that one. She's not 3 of that one. That's younger than 3. But.
She could talk. She had like an adult vocabulary, like that size. She was like this big, and her voice was like the highest.
Yeah.
You know what's funny is that Skybox basketball. I want to buy a box of it just to open.
Yeah, that'd be super fun.
The Alabama Christmas time. That's amazing. There's weird like cards. There's a liberal arts card in there. It's like something to do with like education or something. Someone was saying it's the liberal arts rookie card.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Like the graphic design on it.
Oh, Chrome. Charlotte Gold to 10 from. No wait, 10.
Yeah. Aren't they? No, those are 50. Black to 10.
What's the Charlotte? Is it a black? Reds to 5? Reds to 10 in there? I can't remember.
Sam's being proven right. A Logan Gilbert. Tim? I think it's 10. It's black in Topps Chrome. I'm pretty sure. It's 10.
We just now got the UPS delivery notification.
Yeah.
That doesn't... I have a bad feeling that's not here.
Well, we got the UPS though. Well, I didn't do all of it, but... Or I didn't unpack it, but...
Okay. No, I just got all of them. Okay. I thought maybe it was like 2 that they forgot or something.
Alright, hit recap.
Oh, 100.
Did I say thank you to 40 Water Horse?
Thanks 40 Water Horse.
Thank you.
Horse.
Daz Cameron to 50. Logan Gilbert. The Crone Zone. Bobby Dahlbeck, that's also a green to 50. Florial.
Who's that? Freed starting? Yeah. Struck out Jonathan India.
Outcastle. Kelnick rookie. Bohm debut. Hayes debut. Kirilloff debut. Snell, Phelps, Odorizzi, Mercedes, and Jorge Mateo. Orange to 25.